So, I don't even know if you're in my class, but I mean, I'll help. Different layers on the page, like the video the professor sent. My professor didn't send a video, but sure, I'll help. Okay, we're gonna run with infographics. So you said layers. So I'm gonna try and help figure out which layer you mean. Let's try this one. Okay, so here you have layers, and we can do all sorts of stuff. We'll do a how to. There we go. So there's no box, but over here you can see there's another layer option. It says layer order. So do I want this all the way in the front? See how it changed? Or do I want to put this back? Let's put it back. And then I can put it way back. Or not. Normally it sticks it under the other layers. But look, some of these layers will open up into more layers. See how that went? Because this is 5 separate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 separate layers. So I could change these colors. Watch this. Boom. Boom. Let's go with red. Because red's a... That's another thing you need. So just because it says it's the second one doesn't mean it is. That just means that they put that one second. So be careful when you're doing that. I can't see that one, but it'll be okay. Oh, that's a pretty blue. Alright, so there we go. Now if you want to add text, you hit text. I just go with add text. I don't try running through everything. And then here's the box. You drag it around. And you go beep. Alright, fine. Sometimes it doesn't want to work for you. Change the size. 88's too much. We're going to go sign in. There we go. Now we can click it and we can change where it's going to go. Or maybe we just want to get rid of one of the layers. Which layer are you? Oh, they put 2 boxes together. See? It's 2 separate boxes in there together. You can see it in the highlight. And you can replace these shapes. So we're going to run with this one. Replace. We're going to make it. See? You can replace shapes. And yep, you can flip it. So I hope that answered your question, because when you said layers, you got these layers, which break down into more layers. But then you got these layers where you can tell it where you want it. You want it at the most top, just to move up, move down, like underneath, I believe, or the bottom. Oh, that's what I did wrong. Let's see if I can move that to the bottom. See, it's all the way in the back. It's covered up. Now if we move it all the way to the front, there it goes. Well, I hope that helped. Bye.